Gloucester County in southeastern New York.
Another one.
Central Orange County in southeastern New York. Putnam County in southeastern New York until 2:15 p.m.
Another one.
At 1:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near
Quarter-size
Chester,
hail.
or Monroe, moving east at
Yes, sir.
35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Let's go.
Source, radar indicated.
Another one.
Intact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
This severe thunderstorm will be near West Point around 1:35 p.m. Cold Spring around 1:40 p.m.
Let's go.
Funstock State Park around.
We haven't gotten an SMW yet.
Mahopek around 2 p.m.
Didn't get a
Carmel around
special rain warning.
5 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Let's go.
Here is a special weather statement for the following area in New York, Putnam, and in Connecticut, northern Fairfield. A strong thunderstorm will impact north central Fairfield and eastern Putnam counties through 2 p.m. At 1:15 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Lake Carmel, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.